Children, in this lesson, we will see use of scale and direction in the maps. One day, Bablu reached the village of Ulta Pulta. As soon as he reached the gate to go inside, he found a map which was upside down. Bablu was extremely naughty. He immediately went inside the village, but there was nobody in Ulta Pulta village. He got a little scared and wanted to come out of the same gate where he entered from, but it was closed. Then he recalled that he has a map of the Ulta Pulta village, but Bablu did not know how to read the map. Can you help Bablu to get out of the Ulta Pulta village? Pause the video and look for a way to get out of the village. Absolutely right. Bablu can use any of these routes to get out of the Ulta Pulta village. Here, the length of paths of Ulta Pulta village is written in centimeters. If Bablu is standing near the gate going in, so can you find the shortest way to get out of it using the scale written on the map? How long is this road? You can find the answer to this question by pausing the video. Yes, by using way 1. We can take Bablu out of the village of Ulta Pulta by the shortest route. We add the length of these 4 roads. How many centimeters will we get? 13 centimeter. Can you really tell the distance by looking at the scale written on this map? You can think by pausing the video if you want. 1 centimeter of map is equal to 5 kilometer on the earth. Therefore, how many kilometer will 13 centimeter be? 13 times 5, that is 65 kilometer. The length of the shortest route actually is 65 kilometer. Bablu was going towards the shortest path mentioned by us when suddenly he was pulled towards road number 3 towards the magical well. Now if Bablu has 2 exit routes, are these 2 paths at equal distance? Find an answer to this question by pausing the video. Absolutely right. Both paths are exactly at the same distance. The total distance on the map is 16 centimeter. So the actual distance would be 16 multiplied by 5. That is 80 kilometer. Now Bablu tried to go out of road number 3. If Bablu is on road number 4, then which side is the magical tree? The magical tree is on the left-hand side of Bablu, which means it would be on the left. Bablu crossed road number 4 in fear and also walked on road number 5 and has come to an end of it. Now Bablu is thinking which way he has to turn. Can you tell us which direction Bablu has to turn from the unique cave to road number 6? Absolutely right. Towards left. Bablu ran fast and crossed road number 6. Now, which road will he take after turning right? Road number 7. Bablu crossed road number 7 from the spot and reached the exit gate. Bablu came out of the gate and regained his strength. Kids, Bablu is thanking you for helping him. Children, in this lesson, we have seen the use of scales and directions in maps.